Are you looking for the best orbital sander? In this video, we will break down the top orbital sanders on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best orbital sanders, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Starting off at number 1, we have the BLACK+DECKER Random Orbital Sander. The BLACK+DECKER Random Orbital Sander comes with a uniquely designed, durable plastic that houses all the components. This makes for a lightweight unit that is impact resistant. This ensures minimum shock to the device and that it remains in optimum condition even after impact. Maneuvering this gadget is as easy as it gets, thanks to a rubber-coated, streamlined handle for comfort. A handle extension allows for even more workability. It also helps improve grip when working, allowing you to work for extended hours without fatigue or sore fingers. Another unique feature on the BLACK+DECKER is its rubber-sealed main switch. This helps prevent dust from entering the switch compartment, maintaining soft control, and ultimately improves the life of the gadget. The random orbital sanding action of this gadget is what makes it what it is. Unlike fixed orbital sanding, the path traced by the disc is random, enabling for superb surface finish and eliminating swirl marks and ridges. The high rotational speed of the main motor, combined with this orbit action, allows you to make quick work of various finishing projects. At the heart of this sander is a high-speed, 2-amp main motor that provides the torque needed to drive the sanding disc in its elaborate motions. The motor employs state-of-the-art technology to yield a unit with a high power density that is compact and powerful. Another great feature on this gadget is an efficient debris collection that will sweep up as much of the loosened material as possible. It uses a powerful vacuum pump to suck the dislodged debris through the holes in the sanding disc and dumps them in the dust compartment. This helps ensure your work area stays tidy, making cleaning as easy as possible. The BLACK+DECKER Orbit Sander comes as a kit and is the ideal sanding starter package for newbies. It comes with sanding discs that allow it to be used right out of the box. It also comes with a free dust bag that emphasizes out-of-the-box use. At number 2, we have the Bosch ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander. The Bosch is a great palm sander for light work of surface finish on a wide range of materials. Powering its sanding capabilities is a powerful 2.5-amp main motor that runs on the main supply. The high current drawn from your socket transposes to impressive torque for a compact unit. All the rotational power you need to make quick work of all your finishing processes is available from the main motor. The main motor also comes with adjustable speed control that allows for high adaptability with various material types. The high orbit per minute setting is ideal for light, finishing touches, while the lower speed setting results in higher torque and are ideal for coarse sanding. The most impressive feature of random orbital sanders is the rotational path of the sanding disc. A random orbit makes for excellent surface finish without patterns or traces, as in conventional sanders. In many other sander types where the orbit is fixed, the same sanding disc particle is incident on the same spot of the material surface and starts to make a ridge that often needs extra work to correct it. It ensures the sander does not take the same path twice and makes a new cut with each pass. The Bosch ROS 20 VSC keeps your workplace as clean as possible thanks to its dust collection feature. Backed by a powerful vacuum suction system, the sander racks up as much dust as possible from the surface of the material before it has a chance to escape. Sanding is highly mechanical, and without this collection system, the work area would be really messy. The scattered debris suspended in air also poses health problems from inhalation. The dust bag is also easy to detach, emphasizing user convenience. This kit is complete and can be used out of the box, as it comes with sanding discs that get you started right away. Need to take your sander outdoors? No problem. A free casing allows you to package the sander quickly and conveniently, and be on the move. And at number 3, we have the DEWALT Random Orbital Sander. The DEWALT Random Orbital Sander is special in its sanding path. The sanding path moves in a random orbit. This allows for great surface finish and significantly reduces the possibility of streaks forming. It combines the functionality of a belt sander, used for smoothing coarse surfaces, and can still double as a finishing sander. This gives it great adaptability to a wide range of materials and DIY projects. Powering the sanding pads is a high power density 3-amp, 12,000 orbits per minute main motor. The advanced technology behind its operation makes it a lightweight, powerful unit that will give the sander the torque it needs to seamlessly sand the material surface. The 12,000 OPM speed makes it great as a finish sander with the lightest pressure. Another great feature on the DEWALT Random Orbital Sander is its revolutionary dust collector. The abrasion in sanding makes uncountable fragments from the material that will make your workplace messy if unattended to. This is where the dust collector comes in. A powerful vacuum draws in the dust through the holes in the sanding pads and collects it into a chamber. Removing the dust bag is as easy as possible with the new insert and lock feature. The system greatly reduces the amount of cleaning you have to do and helps improve user safety. The components of this device are housed in a lightweight, tough plastic casing that makes for a portable, impact-resistant product that is highly maneuverable. The streamlined handle is coated with soft rubber to allow good grip and comfort. You can work for hours on end without worrying about getting sores or accidentally losing grip of the sander. The pointed front of the sander body allows for improved reach and allows you to sand even in tight corners without much obstruction. The main power switch of the DEWALT Random Orbital Sander is rubber sealed to prevent the infiltration of dust, as this infiltration is the main cause of early failing or jamming switches in other products. This measure improves the life of the switch and ultimately the overall life of the sander. The DEWALT Random Orbital Sander is a great tool but comes with a few challenges. It does not come with sanding discs, so you will need to do some shopping after buying it. It also does not have adjustable motor speed control, making its compatibility with different materials relatively rigid. It does, however, come with a nice bag that is great for storage and transporting the sander. So that sums up our top orbital sanders. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.